Hi everybody, my name is Tom Kobola. Most of you have had classes with me already. Some of you may have not. And this is my introduction video for week 1 of SW670. Nope, sorry about that. Little alerts here and there. I guess my current field, or my last field placement, I was interning at Knowlton Diagnostics. Knowlton Diagnostic and Treatment Center, which is a mental health organization that spans about, I think it was 15 counties throughout central and western Pennsylvania. I'm not going to get into that one. I'm just going to say that I'm glad that's behind me. Now, where I've been working for the past 2 years is at the James E. Van Zandt VA Medical Center in Altoona, and I've been working as a community care scheduler where I schedule veterans appointments prior to if they cannot be seen at the VA hospital, then we send them out to the community. Prior to that, and what put me on this path is I was a drug and alcohol counselor with Pyramid Healthcare, and it's a dual mental health and addictions inpatient facility where I learned a lot about addiction, the struggles with it, and where I learned about how to not only the problems that grief and loss can have, but some tools to help cope with it. And I'm a veteran myself, and I was struggling for a while on survivor's remorse from my tour in Iraq. So I wanted to help other veterans in that kind of category. So that's why I'm on this purpose right now, is to become a social worker with the VA and help treat veterans as I was once helped. I'm hoping to get more experience and more wisdom out of this course and just learning more about how other ways to cope with the grief and loss, and maybe even some guilt and shame in there. And I think it's relevant to my future because knowledge is power. It's one thing that can never be taken away from us. And I think it's going to be helpful to treat veterans when it comes to these kinds of things. This way, I'm not just reading out a book, I also have experience in it. So I look forward to working with you all again, and we'll see you around.